Hi, my name is Sienna. I hope your day is running well. In the next minutes, you will learn by watching this tutorial how to set up the Contact Data Verifier. Let's start with a few words about the Contact Data Verifier extension for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. The correction and review features from the Magic Data Machine from DataMill make it easier and faster to enter records into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So in other words, that means that the Contact Data Verifier is the connector between Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and the Magic Data Machine from DataMill. Setup. You must first set up the basic information before you can use the Contact Data Verifier. The setup must be performed in the Contact Data Verifier setup. Within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, search for Contact Data Verifier and select Contact Data Verifier Setup to open the window. Setup, registration. Contact Data Verifier requires a registration. Click on What's New within the Contact Data Verifier setup window. A browser window will be opened, which shows you various information about your module. Click on Send Registration Request to send an email with your assigned serial number. A pop-up window will appear and prompt you to confirm that Microsoft Dynamics Business Central will open your mail app. In the next few days you will receive an email with further information. Close the What's New window and go back to the Contact Data Verifier setup window. Setup, DataMill registration. Contact Data Verifier uses service from DataMill. Therefore, an additional registration is required. Click on DataMill registration within the Contact Data Verifier setup window. On the Sign Up page from DataMill, enter the email address for your company's subscription and then complete the sign-up process as instructed by DataMill. After that, DataMill sends a registration confirmation via email. The email contains the login, password and a link to the login page. You will also get 1,000 credits for signing up. Click on License Keys in the DataMill page to create a license key. Enter a description for the license key. Click Create License Key to create the key. Click on Details. Click on Create Guide Key. Enter a description for the key. Click Create Guide Key. Your company setup is now finished by DataMill. Close the register and open it again to see the guide key in the Register Guide Keys window. Enter the username, password, etc. in the related setup fields in the Contact Data Verifier setup window. That's it. Setup is finished. You can find more tutorials and videos on NAVAX TV on YouTube in the Contact Data Verifier playlist. So thanks for watching me today. I hope you will enjoy giving us your business, as much as we enjoy taking you for a ride.